Let's make hot dog pastries with Wei-Chuan USA Roti Paratha. Combine cream cheese with sun-dried tomato pesto, garlic powder, grated parmesan, and fresh basil. On a lightly floured surface, give your roti a good smear of the cream cheese mixture. Now add a hot dog and begin rolling it the same way you would do with spring rolls. Roll your pastry as tight as possible, making sure to pinch all the open seams. Once you've rolled out your pastries, use clean scissors to make 8 segments without cutting through the bottom. Now pull and separate the segments, alternating side to side until you get something that looks like this. Brush on a little egg wash for added shimmer, and top it off with shredded mozzarella. Pop them in the oven, set at 375 for 25 minutes. Once your pastries are baked, be a little extra. Brush on some Scallion Butter, drizzle on some Ketchup, and Kewpie Mayo. And for the final touch, a little bit of extra basil. And there you have it. For this holiday season, spread the gift of these delicious hot dog pastries. Enjoy!